To access the CSA Crime Report form, type in security.boisestate.edu into the address bar at the top of your Internet browser. From there, locate the Campus Security Authorities tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click the drop-down button that is directly to the right of the Campus Security Authorities tab to reveal additional categories. Once the additional categories drop down, locate and click on the CSA Crime Reporting Form tab, which is the third tab from the top of the drop-down menu. Clicking on this tab will direct you to the CSA Crime Reporting page. Near the top of this page, you will see a long rectangular blue button that says, "Click here to report a crime." Clicking on this button will bring up the CSA Crime Report form. Once you have accessed the form and are ready to start filling it out, try to fill in as much information as you know about the incident and be as descriptive as possible. The top section of the form describes what the form is used for and how best to fill it out. Beneath that, you will find fields to input important crime-related data. There are some fields that will require you to input information before you can submit the form. These are the first and last name of the CSA who is filling out the form, the CSA's phone number, the CSA's email address, the date the incident was reported to you, and the box for the CSA to provide a description of the crime. Beneath the field asking you to provide a description of the crime, you will see fields asking you to input the reporting party's identifying information. Please note that if the victim or person reporting the crime to the CSA wants to be anonymous, the CSA should not input their personally identifiable information into the fields asking for the reporting party's name and contact information. Below this, you will see fields where the CSA should indicate the location of the alleged crime, whether the victim and accused currently are or were at one time in a romantic relationship, the best-fitting crime category the alleged crime would fit into, whether the crime was a hate crime and, if so, what category of bias the hate crime is, along with a description of the evidence that the crime was a hate crime. And at the bottom of the page, you will find a glossary of Clery crime definitions to act as a guide. After the form has been filled out and is ready to be submitted, click on the Submit button at the very bottom of the page. The CSA will then receive a confirmation message that the report was submitted, along with a statement that they may be contacted later on for possible follow-up questions regarding the report. Remember, give as much information about the crime as possible when writing the crime description, and be as specific as possible when inputting location information. Give your best guess when designating the location and what crime category you think the crime fits into, but don't get hung up if you are unsure. It is always best to report and let the Clery compliance officer figure out the correct designation. Finally, it is important that CSAs fill out one CSA crime report per incident. That means that if a CSA learns about a car theft and drug law violation, the CSA should fill out one form for the car theft and a separate form for the drug law violation.